Fight, little bitch, fight. Wanna entertain me? Fight, little bitch, fight. So whatever. Ugh! Ha! You're gonna have to half stronger than that, you idiot. Whoa! So, Telemachus, I heard that you were banging your friend. Ugh. How did you figure that out? I know everything. And I heard you screaming. I heard you moaning too. Well, time to strangle because I fucking hate you, bitch. Ow! Man, once I said little wolf, I didn't mean you take it. Ow! Oh, you want to fight? I'm gonna fucking kill you! What the fuck is happening? Need some help? Holy shit, am I fucking dead? No, I just made your thoughts quick. Fight back! I don't know how. Ow! Oh, how did I do that? I just made your thoughts quick. What? Because I'm smart. Whoa, that is so sick! Alright now, let's try this again. I've no respect for bullies, ones who impose their will. I've seen plenty enough to truly understand this kind of
so
film.
freaking mad.
Let's teach this dog a lesson in front of
I'm
all
gonna
his
fucking
kind.
kill you,
Young
Telemachus.
One Wolf has a larger heart than all these men combined. Fierce, Johnny! Little fight, show that he got some bite, little wolf. Bite, take advantage now and strike, little wolf. Strike, don't go down without a fight, little wolf. Fight, little wolf. Get up and fight! Strike! Go get you some too hard. Son of a bitch, Athena. Go back and cry in your corner. Make sure your dumbass mom hears. If she won't choose a man to adorn her, I will touch her and bring her to a ditty party. I fucking hate you, Antonius. Well now I'm gonna wipe my blood all over my dad's wall. Tell me, Athena, can I bang my friend? What the fuck?